I'm Bonnie Buntain, a professor of public health, currently at the University of Calgary. I'm co-appointed to the Faculty of Medicine and the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine in public health. However, this is my third career, and that's what's so exciting about veterinary medicine. People usually think that all we do is work on dogs and cats and horses and livestock, but there's a whole different career stream beyond that. So my first 10 years, I was an equine veterinarian, ambulatory, meaning that I traveled all over on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. Did that for 10 years. Then I was accepted job positions in food safety at the U.S. Department of Agriculture. When just about the time that the hamburger disease hit the United States and the world, which is E. coli 0157, I started a very exciting career in food safety in the U.S. public service, we call it. And I ended up being the chief public health veterinarian for the Food Safety and Inspection Service for the USDA. Then I was recruited to help start the new veterinary school in Calgary, Canada. The most important thing for me that I feel linked to Aberystwyth so closely is the fact that you're considering a veterinary school. And I've been from the beginning of starting a new veterinary school, and having had 3 careers, I can see our profession from 3 different angles, which I think and hope will actually help you develop the strategic plans for the veterinary school here. And it'll be extremely exciting because Wales, another thing that I really appreciate about Wales is that your land and landscape is so similar to Hawaii. You have the ocean, you have mountains, rain, and the animals. So one of the founding principles that I believe this veterinary school is going to be set on will be called One Health, which is the linkage between animals, humans, and our ecosystems, that we're all part of one big health system. That's a very important approach to take, and I'm really looking forward to working on that with Aberystwyth.